Hi everyone, it's Aisha and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we created these DIY Jessie and Woody costumes. So stay tuned. And do note that my son's Buzz Lightyear costume is from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below. But these are the places that we got our materials from: Goodwill, Walmart, AC Moore's, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. The cowboy boots were from the Facebook Marketplace. Amazon is where we got the Buzz Lightyear outfit costume for my son. We got the t-shirt and the vest from Goodwill. The total price was $17.76. And then we got the cow print from Joann's. And that was not AC Moore's, it was Joann's. And it was $3.19. It was the last of the bulk. So we really had to make do with what we had. So what you want to do is get the vest and you want to start pinning the fabric onto the vest. And the reason we decided to actually go ahead and buy vests versus making a vest out of entirely fabric is because, again, this was the last of the bulk. And I really wanted to save time. And it was just easier for us to go ahead and buy a vest versus create a whole vest out of the cow print. So again, you want to do that, pin it down to the fabric and cut it out. And you pin it down because pinning it actually keeps the vest and fabric in place, so it's easier to cut out. Now, once you do that, what you're going to do is get your hot glue gun and you're going to glue the fabric to the vest. And I still have the pins in it to keep it in place. And after I'm done gluing it, folding over so that they're seamless hems, I'll take those pins out. And the little pins, you can get like a little sewing kit from the Dollar Tree if you don't have any like bobbin fabric pins. You can get it from the Dollar Tree. The little kits are not expensive at all. And I'm going to do this for both sides of the vest. I'm going to pin them down, pin the fabric to the vest, and then cut it out, and then hot glue the fabric to the vest. Now, for the curves of the vest, you want to kind of treat it like a present. They're harder to do. So you want to make sure you cut off the excess and then make like a little split so that it's easier to fold. And that's what I'm doing here. And the same thing goes for like the armpit. And I'm going to do this for not only this vest, which is my boyfriend's vest. Both vests are from the girls section of Goodwill. They did not have any vests for guys. And again, we just had to make do with what we had. We're only wearing it for one day. And I think it was well worth the money. It looked good. What you think? Let me know let me know by leaving a comment down below if you think that we pulled this off. I started this project at 6:30 Halloween day. So let me know if we pulled this off. All right, so now I'm just go ahead and glue down the armpit area. And I'm treating it like a present by, cutting excess off and making cuts so that the folds won't fold down bulky. That's what I'm doing here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start talking about the knit fabric because I didn't really record too much of the knit vest because it's basically the same thing. But if you can, try not to get a knit vest. It was kind of hard to pin it with the bobby pins because it was knit. And then it was hard to glue it because it was knit. So I would just, try to stay away from a knit vest. This is the finished look of the vest. And this is the knit one. Again, I really did not like this one. I kind of rushed through it too because I was tired and it was 6 o'clock in the morning and I was really over the project. So again, it's easier if you go ahead and get a vest that's already created than trying to create a vest from scratch. And that's what we did. But that's it, y'all. That is our Toy Story DIY. Please let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below. This is a great DIY for birthdays as well as Halloween parties. And if you want to go to Universal Studios in costume, this would be a great DIY to do. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, comment, as well as like the video. And as always, thanks for watching.
Let's go to Walmart and get some food and stuff because I'm hungry and I'm love.